come with me to the Emerald City. One short day in the Emerald City. Oh, I've always wanted to see the Emerald City. I know, I'm very, very silly. Wow. Welcome to New York. New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Hi friends, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. I'm AprylAnonymous and we are here today at the Wicked house. So they have decorated this whole house with merchandise for the new Wicked movie, Wicked for Good, 632 Hudson. Oh my gosh, and I'm so excited. We've made it here just in the nick of time. Our time slot is 2:30, it is 2:19. They advise you get here around 30 minutes early, and we did not. All right, friends, are we hype? Hi,
how are you?
I'm doing well, how are you?
Good.
My name is April.
The Y?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Makes it very easy to find me.
You're all set. You can
Thank
grab
you
a
so
green
much.
or pink wristband.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, chat, green or pink? First one I see in chat. We're live on Twitch right now.
Love it.
It's gonna be so fun. Are we Alphabet or are we Glinda? I saw green first.
Yeah, that's right. Whoever said green, you rock.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Guys, we're doing it. Here's the holding area.
Upstairs. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Bank analysis, think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I've chosen to become a palace sister and advisor, there's nobody wiser. Not when it comes to popular. I know about popular. Yes. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go.
So you are
Oh.
go straight up these stairs right here.
Oh my
okay?
gosh, thank you so much. Guys, look at the pink and the green. I mean, pink goes good with the green. Or, you know, well. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so cool. Wow. Ooh. Are those the glasses? I think so. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. Look at the glasses. Look at that. So cool. Oh my God, look at the books. And the crown. The slippers. Oh my God, it's the slippers. It's the silver slippers. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at the vinyls. It's so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, and the pet toys. Don't even at me. That is so cute. Oh my God. Hi guys. We're here. I can't believe we get to do this. This is so cool. I'm so excited. Can you just feel the excitement just like radiating off my body right now? This is so neat. Wow. And this is the Grimmery. That's so cool. Oh my God, wait. They're gonna have a Switch game? How did I not know about that? Me, the gamer. How did I not know about that? Look at this. The pop-up book. So cool. I love the snow globe. Look at the chess set. This is so neat. Whoa, look at all of this up here. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Oh my God, look at these. Oh my gosh, I love the glassware. This is so, oh my God. I love these. So cool. In the Emerald City. Oh my gosh, I want these. Tell us parks with trees, trust salons and libraries, palaces, museums 100 strong. There are wonders like I've never seen. I wanna be in this hoi polloi. Wait, look at the Stanleys. Ooh, I like those. Ooh. Look at the plates. Oh my gosh, I didn't even look at these glasses on the table too, like the coupe glasses. Wow. Oh my gosh, look. Scarecrow, Tin Man, Cowardly Lion. Oh no. Poor Fiero. Now he's soap. Eleganamen, namen, eleganamen. Oh. Oh my god, Wicked is doing Lush. That's so cool. Oh my god. Couldn't be lovelier. Oh my god, look at this dress. Whoa. That is so cool. Oh my god, do I need this for when I fly on planes? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, look at all of this. So cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at these. Discover your magic. Defy expectations. Living in a dream. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I didn't see this one. Wow. I don't know. Elphaba is still better. So neat. Look at this. Guys, this is the pillow. That's so cute. I love it. Honestly, and I love the skirt. That's adorable. Wow.
Right. Oh my god.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh, and then the jackets. Find your courage. Wow. This is so pretty. Guys, this is so cool. And how neat that we're getting this like exclusive look. The wizard sees everything. This is so neat. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so neat. Oh my god. Wow. I overheard that this was like a $7,000.
So the gown that's draped, and then this gown on the closet.
Yeah.
These are from a designer named Khan, who did a collection last September at Fashion Week.
Yeah.
These are some of his runway pieces, and they're pretty special.
Yeah, they're wild. I was looking at this one and I was just like in awe. Like that was the first thing I saw when I walked in this room. I was like, this is insane.
Yeah, I mean his gowns go upwards of $7,000 plus.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure. Sell my left arm. Maybe I'll afford it one day.
You never know. I'm still waiting to see someone wear that on a red carpet somewhere.
Oh my gosh, yes, well they need to. That is freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, and the shoes, don't even at me. Too gorgeous for words. I didn't fully appreciate that it's kind of shaped like the Grimoire, I think. Oh my god, this is all so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I want these. If you were to actually buy one item from here, what would you get? Okay, I think for me, it would have to be something really useful. So I'm thinking probably the pajama set, if I was gonna actually buy something. But I would specifically want the eye mask because I would wear it on the plane anytime I fly places. But I would also want like the full set because I'm a sucker for a cozy. You guys know me in self-care. That or the martini glasses that you know the cats would destroy immediately. But drinking like a cocktail out of those, so cute. Look at the rooftop. Isn't that cool? It's closed off. It's not part of the experience, but isn't that cool anyway? Wow. That's so neat. Yay. This is so neat. Oh my god, these are so cute. Wow, guys. How adorable is this? Look, we've got the vinyl for Glinda. And then we have the American Girl dolls. And then we have the Barbies. Wow. Oh my God. Look at these. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Oh my God, wait, I love the lounge flies. Look at the lounge flies. Wait, I'm kind of obsessed with this. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God, the bubble one, that's so good. Be fearlessly amazing. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine if all this merch had been out when we did Wicked in my living room back in 2021? That would have been so fun. Wow, I love this. This is actually really well done. I'm loving the patterns on everything. But do you guys like my fit today? So we've got the green right here for Alpha. We've got the pink for Glenda here. Fit chalk, fit chalk. What do you guys think? This is so neat. Wow, look at this. Little man, la la la, you always long to be your father. This is so neat. Oh, this is so fun. Wait, I just like want to get like tons of cool shots of me just like in a beautiful giant house in New York. Instead of flying off the handle. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. Hope you're happy how you've hurt your cause forever. I hope you think you're clever. I need to get out of here before I make a fool out of myself even further. Thank you very much. I will now sing karaoke all the way home. Thank you, you too. Oh my gosh. I love that they joined it. Oh my gosh. And thank you guys so much for having us.
Of course.
This was just, oh my God, what an amazing experience. Just so grateful, thank you.
Of course.
Here's the QR code, so if anyone wants to check out the merch collection, this is where you find it. Thank you guys so much for going on this journey with me. If you want to help me feed my cats in the manner to which they've become accustomed, I invite you to check out my Patreon. I'm listing my current Patreon members right here. Putting kisses on you guys. Thank you guys so much. I couldn't do this without you. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to like and comment in order to appease our algorithmic overlords. If you like me and my content in general, I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to not miss any future content from me. The FOMO is real and present. It's a real and present danger. Do I say anything else? I think that's all I say. Guys, thank you so much for going on this adventure with me. I couldn't do it without you. I'd be too scared, be too afraid. So thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Bye. Welcome to New York.